Welcome to Animal Realm, your ultimate destination for all things wild. Let's know about the hippopotamus, often referred to as the river horse, is one of Africa's most iconic and fascinating animals. These massive, semi-aquatic mammals are known for their unique combination of size, behavior, and ecological significance. Physical characteristics. Hippopotamuses are among the largest land mammals, second only to elephants and white rhinos. An adult male hippo typically weighs between 3,300 and 4,000 pounds, while females are slightly smaller, averaging between 2,900 and 3,300 pounds. These robust creatures have barrel-shaped bodies, short legs, and an enormous mouth equipped with large, tusk-like canine teeth. Their skin is thick and virtually hairless, with a unique adaptation that secretes a natural sunscreen substance, often referred to as blood sweat, due to its reddish color. This secretion helps protect their skin from the harsh African sun and has antibacterial properties, reducing the risk of infections. One of the most distinctive features of the hippo is its wide mouth, which can open up to 150 degrees. This gape is not only an impressive display but also serves practical purposes in feeding and territorial displays. The large, sharp incisors and canines can grow up to 20 inches long and are used primarily for defense and dominance displays. Habitat and distribution. Hippopotamuses are native to sub-Saharan Africa, inhabiting rivers, lakes, and mangrove swamps where water is sufficient to support their semi-aquatic lifestyle. They are most commonly found in countries such as Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya, and Zambia. The availability of fresh water is crucial for their survival, as they spend much of their time submerged to keep their massive bodies cool and hydrated. These animals prefer slow-moving or stagnant water bodies with ample vegetation along the banks. During the day, hippos remain submerged in water or mud to avoid overheating, emerging at dusk to graze on grasses and other vegetation. Their dependence on water sources makes them particularly vulnerable to changes in their environment, such as drought or human encroachment. Behavior and social structure. Hippopotamuses are known for their complex social structures and territorial behaviors. They are typically found in groups called pods, bloats, or schools, which can range from a few individuals to over 30. These groups are usually led by a dominant male, who maintains control over a specific stretch of river or lake. Territorial disputes among males are common and can be quite aggressive. These confrontations involve a series of vocalizations, displays of the open mouth, and sometimes physical altercations using their massive teeth. Despite their aggressive tendencies, hippos are also known for their playful interactions, especially among younger individuals. Communication among hippos is diverse and includes a range of vocalizations such as grunts, roars, and wheezes. They also engage in amphibious communication, where sounds produced above water are transmitted through the water, allowing submerged individuals to communicate effectively. Hippos have a unique reproductive strategy. Females reach sexual maturity around 5 to 6 years of age, while males mature slightly later. Mating usually occurs in the water, and after a gestation period of about 8 months, a single calf is born. Calves are typically born underwater and can swim almost immediately, staying close to their mothers for protection and nourishment. Diet and feeding habits. Hippopotamuses are primarily herbivorous, feeding mainly on grasses. Their nightly foraging expeditions can cover several miles, during which they consume up to 88 pounds of vegetation. Despite their large size, hippos have relatively low energy needs compared to other large mammals, allowing them to survive on a diet of mainly grass. Their feeding habits play a crucial role in their ecosystems. By grazing on grasses, hippos help maintain the balance of vegetation and prevent overgrowth. Additionally, their dung provides essential nutrients to aquatic ecosystems, supporting the growth of algae and other microorganisms that form the base of the food chain. Occasionally, hippos have been observed consuming meat or scavenging carcasses, but this behavior is rare and not fully understood. It is believed to be opportunistic rather than a regular part of their diet. Ecological significance. Hippopotamuses play a vital role in their ecosystems, both as grazers and as contributors to nutrient cycling. Their feeding activities help shape the landscape and influence plant communities. The nutrient-rich dung they produce supports a variety of aquatic life, including fish and invertebrates. Furthermore, hippos create channels and paths through vegetation as they move between water and grazing areas. These pathways are used by other animals, facilitating movement and access to resources. In this way, hippos act as ecosystem engineers, modifying their environment in ways that benefit a wide range of species. Conservation status and threats. The hippopotamus is currently classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Despite their widespread distribution, hippo populations are declining due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Habitat destruction, particularly the draining of wetlands and construction of dams, poses a significant threat to hippo populations. These activities reduce the availability of suitable habitats and disrupt the natural flow of water bodies, affecting the ecosystems that hippos rely on. Poaching for ivory and meat is another major concern. Although the international trade in hippo ivory is regulated, illegal hunting persists. Hippo ivory, derived from their large canine teeth, is highly valued and continues to drive poaching activities. Human-wildlife conflict also poses a serious threat. As human populations expand and encroach on natural habitats, encounters between hippos and people become more frequent. Hippos can cause significant damage to crops and property, leading to retaliatory killings by local communities. Conservation efforts are underway to address these challenges. Protected areas and national parks play a crucial role in safeguarding hippo populations. Additionally, community-based conservation initiatives aim to reduce human-wildlife conflict by promoting coexistence and sustainable practices. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey through the animal realm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting animal adventures. Until next time, stay wild and explore the beauty of nature.